Hello kids, I am Sama and today we are learning the clean and dirty things. Are you ready? Let's go! Clean means neat, tidy and free from dirt and germs. Clean things look good and help keep us healthy. Okay kids, here are some examples of clean things and dirty things. Number 1. Wash hand. Muddy hands. Brush teeth. Yellow on brush teeth. Clean cloth. Stained cloth. Covered food. Open food. Clean water. Water with garbage. Swept floor. Dusty floor. Clean toilet. Dirty toilet. Bath body. Smelly body. Washed fruits. Muddy fruits. Combed hair. Messy hair. Tidy room. Messy room. Clean shoes. Mud covered shoes. Covered dustbin. Overflowing dustbin. Clean classroom. Little classroom. Clean towel. Wet and dirty towel. Clean plate. Grassy plate. Clean hands before eating. Touching food with dirty hands. Wash socks. Smelly socks. Clean fingernail. Nail with dirt under them. Bathing daily. Skipping bath for days. So kids, this is some examples of clean and dirty things. I hope you learn a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you like to learn a lot of things, then like and subscribe please.